me too. I love pasta too. We're chatting about pasta still. We want some pasta. But hey, that voice over there you're hearing, it's the other half of E Squared. It's time for Beauty Talk with E Squared. This time, the second half of E Squared is here to talk about some new beauty treatments that not only promise to take years off of your look, but inches off your body without going under the knife. Of course, this is the founder of BeautyBets.com. Her name is Elizabeth Dean.
Hello.
Hello, darling. We're talking about carbs because we love pasta.
Love the carbs.
I know, it smells so good.
The pasta, so we have to have treatments to just take it all away.
Yeah, that's what we have to do. Absolutely. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to start. We've got three things to talk about. We want to start with this acupuncture facial rejuvenation, right?
Yes.
That's what it is. And you had this done. Tell me about it.
I did. I had this done at Fusion Life Spa in Deep Haven. There I am.
Yeah.
Those are needles going right into my face. The things I do for you all. So facial rejuvenation acupuncture is... it's a really, it's a wonderful, holistic, non-invasive way to increase the chi, or the energy, in your face, and that improves circulation, helps rebuild collagen and elastin, and firm and tone. And you can see there's some needles around my mouth, and then on either side of my eyes, where, you tend to get wrinkles. So this takes about 10 sessions. It's a commitment, but... this is a 20-minute procedure. It's painless. It's relaxing. I just lay there and meditate.
Yeah.
And after those 10 sessions, you should see, a gentle lift. It's really for people with mild to moderate sagging and fine lines.
And you've had 2 sessions so far?
I've had 2. And, I wouldn't expect to see a difference after 1 or 2, but I know people who are maybe in their 40s and 50s who can tell a difference right away.
That is pretty impressive.
Yeah, and why would you do, why would you do an invasive facelift when you could do this for, it's $90 a pop.
Yeah.
And it's just, I love that this old Chinese approach is coming back and having a rebirth, and it's a natural way to do it.
And I've had acupuncture several times, not a facial, but I've had needles in my face, and it doesn't hurt.
It does not
it's like
hurt.
a little, you can't
They're
feel
really
it.
fine, and the biggest difference is that acupuncture needles are solid versus hollow, and that makes them a lot less painful.
Yeah, like the tetanus shot I got yesterday, and my arm is killing me.
Oh, I still would cry from that.
Yeah, I know.
Like a kindergartner.
I know, so that's a lot better than what I had done. Okay, next up, this is called Cool Sculpting.
Yes.
It's a non-invasive liposuction.
Now we're going the other end of the spectrum with something super techy. This has only been out a couple months, and using cold, we are actually killing fat cells. So we're looking at a before and after of kind of that back fat. You can see it on the side.
Yeah.
That's been really visibly reduced. And we're going to take a look at a video so you can see, oh my gosh.
So there's the tummy before and the after.
That's insane. Now I really want it.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive. So this is offered at Crutchfield Dermatology.
Crutchfield Dermatology, yes.
Those are their before and after photos.
Correct.
And then this is our model actually getting hers done, Suzette, right?
This is Suzette. And this is, kind of a mommy makeover for her. This is post-pregnancy. She just has, a small little area on her stomach that she wanted to tone up. You can see they're putting this kind of metal... There are 2 metal paddles in that device, and they're kind of holding the fat together and then zapping it with cold. For about an hour, she was there just laying on the table. It's freezing her fat, and the intensity of that cold is actually killing the fat cells. So unlike some of those other fat zapping laser treatments we're hearing about, those don't actually eliminate the fat cells for good.
Okay.
This really kills them. And your body does not make new fat cells. Once they're gone, they're gone. So this is a permanent treatment as long as you maintain whatever you were doing before. Your usual daily regimen of exercise and diet.
Because you can always expand your other fat cells. There are plenty there ready and happy to be expanded. So Suzette is here. And what did you think of this, Suzette?
It was painless. The room was very comfortable. Elizabeth was there, so I wasn't nervous. And there was some mild discomfort for about 7 days following the treatment, where the area was a little bit red, a little bit sensitive to touch.
Okay.
But
did it feel cold, that thing on you?
It was freezing.
Yeah, it was freezing.
It was a moment.
Yeah.
So it was very, very cold. But after 20 minutes into it, people say they can listen to their iPod or, work on their computer. I don't know that I would go that far, but you could read a People magazine and you know,
sure.
just kick back and relax.
Yeah,
for
view
about 45 minutes.
TwinCitiesLive.com and, you know, watch some videos or
Absolutely.
whatever. So how long does it take? Because and how have you felt the results have been?
Dr. Crutchfield said not to expect dramatic results until about 8 weeks post-procedure. I would say in the 2.5 weeks since I've had the procedure, the muffin top no longer rides over the top of the pants, which is wonderful. And that was really, I was happy just to have that happen. And I've noticed some tightening and just some difference in the definition in my abdomen area. So hopefully with continued diet and exercise, he'll say you don't need it anymore.
Well, you're looking pretty good already there, lady. I got to tell you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Suzette. That's fantastic. And what about the price on that, Elizabeth?
That is $14.95. And if you need an additional treatment, the second one is at a reduced price.
Okay, all right, all right. Next up then, finally, we have the Rejuvenize Peel.
Yes.
And this is available at Uptown Dermatology, and let's take a look at some video of that happening.
You are seeing our model, Katie, get this. This is a brand new peel for Uptown. It uses a combination of salicylic, lactic acid, retinoic acid. So this is an intense, deep peel. It's really great for discoloration. She's got some acne and some acne scarring, any fine lines, sunspots. I mean, really, most of us are candidates to a degree for this peel.
Is it like, as far as peels go, you know, there's like the lunchtime peel, and then there's the ones that take a few days to recover from?
Well, Katie, we're going to ask her for sure, but she didn't really get red after, so she was right back at work.
Okay.
It's the 4 to 5 days later when you start peeling that you may or may not want to go to work.
Yeah, okay, and here's Katie is here with us. Hi.
Hi.
So what did you think? What happened a few days after?
It actually, your face peels off.
Yeah.
It's like you have a sunburn, and it was probably most dramatic between the second and third day.
Yeah.
Sheets of skin fell off.
You are a very good describer of things, Katie. I like these descriptions. Okay, so sheets of skin are falling off.
Yes.
Were you a little nervous about it, or are you thinking this is a good thing because it's getting the fresh skin out?
The skin underneath felt really nice, and they do give you a very gentle moisturizer and some hydrocortisone cream to kind of combat any really itchy, dry areas. But I've noticed a complete difference. It's like baby skin.
So if you have no makeup, do you have makeup on right now?
I have tinted moisturizer.
Just a little bit. Yeah, because your skin it looks really like dewy and nice and soft.
Yeah.
And that's the result that you're looking for,
That's the result.
Elizabeth?
I mean, I can spot a peel from a mile away because it is that fresh baby skin. I mean, it's so smooth. She's got that beautiful, like, taut shine to her skin. And she did say that a lot of the sunspots or freckles that she had have gone away.
Awesome. Katie, thank you so much. That's fantastic. And tell me how much that one is?
That is $250.
Okay. $250.
Yes.
But we have a deal, Elizabeth.
Yes, we do.
So we have an exclusive deal for Twin Cities Live viewers on that rejuvenation peel that Katie had. If you book it, Uptown Dermatology and Skin Spa is going to throw in a microdermabrasion treatment at no cost.
Oh, I love this.
I know. So the deal's only good for viewers that email in today. You got to email them today. We've got the email address on our website. Go to KSTP.com, click on Twin Cities Live, and then you look for As Seen on TCL, and you can look under past shows. We've got the email address for Uptown Dermatology, and get that in tonight, and you can go check it out.
And the microderm is perfect for post-peel when you just really want to clean up any flaking.
A few weeks later?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd say you could even do it sooner.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to see you. And